Some of you have asked me, does the dice strategy work with small balances? And it does. So right now I'm working with a $2 balance and I've already earned 30, well, it was much higher, 50 cents or so. Now I'm losing, but this should pop right back up and give me a massive win, hopefully, or I'll just lose it all, which I'm going to. Goodbye. Wow. I thought I lost that. So as you can see, now I'm up $1.75. So I started with $1.50, I think. Was it $1.50? I think it was $1.50, and now I'm up to, or maybe $1.70. And now I'm sitting at $3. So it definitely does work for smaller balances. If you wanted to try it with a smaller balance. All right, well, I'm still running this. I'm at $4, so I've made about 200% on my rolls. It was really easy, like I said, using this dice tool. Really, all you have to do is put in your numbers here, your bankroll, bet amount, chance to roll. And so for this example, I put in 2 and 3 here in my bet amount. So 6 zeros, and I only have a 0.001 BTC for this, but every chance I will win essentially until my my losses run out. And so that's why I am now at almost $5. I almost lost it here, which I thought I would have, but I actually had a good win and it brought me in the positive. So I started with $1.79 and then now at almost $7 there, $7. So not too bad. I could increase this. So instead of betting 0.1 to start, I could start out with 0.2 essentially for that bet and increase my my winnings. But it definitely does work for a smaller account. You just need to make sure that you have at least, I think, $1 in to make it work. Maybe a little bit more, maybe $2, just so that you can have that bankroll all the way down. You do want to have more than, I would say like closer to 120 rolls here, maybe 150 for your bankroll, just so you don't run out. But you do have a chance of liquidation. And as you can see here, I'm up to $7 now on a small account. I just realized you couldn't see this. So if I actually go back, turn this on, you can see that I'm now at $6, almost $7 in profits, starting from $1.70, so almost 300%. And I started with $1.79. So definitely gaining some wins here on a smaller account. But yeah, there is a few things that I might change. So I started off with point 0.000000001. And so the first few runs here start off at point 0, what is it? 1. So if I double that, I'll get to the larger numbers faster, but I'll also liquidate my account faster. So those are a few things I'm thinking of doing since I am now have more wins under my belt and a bigger balance. I think I can essentially take this to the next level. Like instead of, I'll double the amount that I'm betting to start. That will get the ball rolling faster so that I can have bigger gains. Because this is kind of going slow, even though I'm up, almost $10. Maybe after my next win, I'll show you what I mean. So we'll just go here real quick. All right, so we just won. I'm at $7.52. So I'm going to change this to 2 and start rolling this. So we're going to start off at a higher amount to get to these lower amounts quicker. But it also has a chance for me to lose much more money, much more quickly. So if we go over to the dice thing, as I have here, I was at 0.01. So it gives me 163 losses versus 2 gives me 140. So it's not that much. But if we look at the profit here where we start out, it's at 0.96. If I start off here at 1, it's half of that. So I guess it just depends how quickly you want to get results. So right now I'm if I get up to $10, that'd be a great win. I haven't had a big loss here in a while. It's the only thing I'm a little bit worried about, that I might have a big loss here in a second. Let's see what this does, because this is a bigger one. Oh, there we go. There's our $10. So we went from $1. So we have a 500% gain so far in this smaller account. So definitely you can make money from smaller accounts. Even with $1, I turned this $1.79 into $10, almost $11. Using 2% here and 3% here. Just move this over. So there you go. Even with a small account, you can earn 2, 3, 4, 5x on your dice. Just depends on how much you're willing to risk. So that's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, smash the like button, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one.